Hello everyone. So this is how you're going to download Precision 3 apps. Okay, so first go to the website, okay, the main website, and then you click student companion site. Okay, then click this one. After that, it will bring you to this page. Click decision 2 links, this one. Okay, and then click decision 2 links here, visit URL here, click here, and it will bring you to this page and choose this textbook. Okay, this is the page that you get. Scroll down, select your textbook ni. So this is your textbook. Click business analytics here. Okay, and then it will go bring you to this page. Okay, so fill in all your details here and then download student trial version. Okay, so from here you then after that few while you will get email. Okay, so email will give you a link for you to download and then download. Okay, so you have to wait. It will take some time for you to download this Precision 3. This one I will use it tomorrow during the class. Thank you.